Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a date format with day, month, and year for your tables and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document or table, and as you can see I created or edited these three dates here, each one with a different date format. For example, that one here with the month written in a word, or then we got this one here starting with the month followed by the day. So if you'd like to change that, guys, what you want to do is highlight the range of data like this by highlighting the cells. Then navigate to Format, hover mouse over Number, and instead of applying the custom date here, you will need to, or the default date here, sorry, which is that the date format starting with the month, you will need to create a custom date format first and apply it later. To do that, navigate to Custom Date and Time here and remove the given one here. Let me also remove these slashes like this and start with your new custom date format. So day would be starting with the day. Click into the drop down menu and select the day here. Click into the day and choose day with leading 0 because day, so we got 2 digits. Then add a slash or a dot or whichever symbol you like to use to separate the day from the month, and add the month from that drop-down menu. Again, click into it to add a leading 0 or the second digit. If it's, for example, December, November, or October, add another slash and do the same with the year. Click into that drop-down menu, select the year, click into it, and instead of adding the 2-digit year, add the full numeric year. That's it. Click into apply, and that is going to apply, add the date format to your list. So now again, make sure that the range of data is selected, head over to format, and if you don't see it, for example, if it hasn't been applied correctly like here, you may navigate to format, hover mouse over number, and your custom date format should be here listed, right? So that's exactly the one I just created. Day, month, year. It didn't work here because I assume, oh, there should be a space. So if I add a space here after the dot, yeah, as you can see, the date format has been correctly applied. We got 4th of October 2026, 1st of August, and 23rd of December, so the evening before Christmas, at least in Europe. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.